Today, we will install the watch case. In my hand is a rose gold case made from 360L steel. Before installing the case, you must ensure that the process of inserting the hands and editing the date has been complete. I have linked instructions for installing the hands and adjusting the date in the description. And now, let's get started. Step 1. Place the watch case on the dial as shown in the video. Please note that the crown installation position on the case must be in the 3.8 o'clock direction. Flip to the back and track it. Two crown installation points on the movement and case must be in line. When it's all in place, use a pointed wooden stick to apply pressure to the points around the movement, avoiding movement details. That is enough when you can't press down anymore. Flip the front over to track the distance between tethering and dial. This is an example of how to read it correctly. The two parts have almost no space between them. When the tethering and dial have space, we turn it over and continue pressing around their movement. Step 2 is install the crown. Push the crown all the way in until you hear a click and can't pull it out anymore. You have successfully installed the crown. Next, we have to track the rubber rings on the back side. This correct and incorrect position of the rubber ring is good enough. We continue to assemble the case back. We have a video with detailed instruction on how to install the case back. Link is below in the description. Finally, complete install the bezel ring. This will be the position to install the ring. Use tweezers to remove the 3M adhesive from the case. Track the ring. If there is a similar 3M stick, we will remove. Carefully place the ring in the correct position. After that, use your hand to create pressure to help the bezel and ring stay fixed. How to remove the machine from the case when you need to replace or repair. Use a wooden stick with an input gap between the machine and the case. Use light fork as a lever to remove the machine from the case. And that's all. Well, you have completed the skill of installing a watch case. Congratulations! Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.